Hello, welcome to Excel GCSE Maths. Today we are going to learn about factorizing quadratic expression. So we have a quadratic expression over here, that is x squared plus 6x plus 8. We actually have two methods. We're going to be discussing about that. But today we're going to be focusing more on factorizing by grouping. In next lesson we're going to be discussing about how to factorize the same with the grid. Okay, so we have an equation x squared plus 6x plus 8. Before we move ahead, let's quickly see what exactly the standard quadratic expression or equation is. So as I'm not including equal sign there, so I'm going to be calling it an expression, right? So standard quadratic expression is ax squared plus bx plus c, and what gives is the name quadratic is the degree, means the power. If the variable in the expression has the highest power 2, it's a quadratic. If it has highest power 3, it's a cubic, or 4 a quartic, or so on. So at the moment we have a quadratic expression over here. So let's write down the question. So we have a quadratic expression. We can simplify it in two ways or factorize in two ways. Let's see the a. The a is nothing but the coefficient with the x square. If a is 1 and if a is any number. So we actually have two cases. First, when the expression has a1 or a is some other number. So today we are going to be discussing more about, or specifically about, a equals 1. Let's write on the equation. The equation is x squared plus 6x plus 8, right? We have the expression that is x squared plus 6x plus 8. It's very easy to understand, but the first thing to check is what exactly the coefficient of x squared, or what's the value of a is. So no number, that means the value of a is 1, that means it comes under this case. Okay, now let's understand how to solve it. If you have an expression given to you to factorize, so factorize is like, breaking it into 2 brackets or 3 brackets depending upon the degree or what exactly it is. If it's a quadratic equation, that means we're going to be getting 2 brackets. If it's a cubic equation, we'll definitely get 3 brackets and so on. So x squared plus 6x plus 8. Now we're going to be writing x and x. It's a complete positive equation, so both are going to be plus plus. Now we actually have to find out which two numbers over here. So let's think of which two numbers multiply to give us 8, or if we compare with the standard quadratic equation, we can say to give c, which two numbers multiply to give c is the last term there without any x, without variable, a constant term. Yeah. Which two numbers multiply to give us 8, and if we add them up, it should give us 6. Perfect. Think of two numbers when multiplied to give us 8. So 1 and 8 multiplied to give us 8. 2 and 4 multiplied to give us 8 as well. But you have to select the combination that gives you 6 when you add. Is it giving you 6 when you add? No, it will give you 9. Well, if you add these two numbers, you're going to be getting 6, right? That means your numbers are 2 and 4. So x plus 2, x plus 4. That's it. In short, it was like, just think of the number, the last constant term, that is c. Think of 8, which two numbers multiply to give you 8 and add to give you 6. Once you get that number, you're going to be writing x plus that number and x plus that number. So it is like x plus 2 and x plus 4. If I give you next question, we have another expression over here, x squared plus 7x plus 10. Quick. Yeah, two number to multiply to give us 10, and when we add them up, we're going to be getting 7. Okay, just think of which two numbers to multiply to give us 10 and add to give us 7. It's 2 and 5. So yeah, let's draw 2 brackets. X plus 2, x plus 5. That's it. Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye. Take care.